If your story feels disconnected, it's usually because your frames aren't guiding the flow clearly. Today, how to explore creative storytelling. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1350 vertical canvas. Start by inserting multiple rectangular frames arranged diagonally from top to bottom. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting them so the sequence feels natural. Now select the background and apply a soft gradient that subtly moves in the same direction as your layout. Add thin connecting lines or arrows between frames, lowering their opacity to keep things clean. Duplicate one frame, enlarge it slightly, and place it behind with reduced opacity to create a layered effect. Use position tools